Hey everyone, I'm here to show you how to bring the magic of deli-style sandwiches right into your very own kitchen. Let's start with the foundation of any great sandwich, the bread. You want something soft yet chewy, strong enough to hold all those delicious ingredients without falling apart. Think about a long roll, maybe even bake your own hoagie rolls if you're feeling adventurous. Now, the key to a phenomenal sandwich is layering flavors thoughtfully. Begin with a good smear of mayo or mustard to keep things moist. Then, layer on your meats: turkey, ham, roast beef, you name it. Stack them high, and don't be shy. Next up, the cheese. A slice of Swiss or provolone adds that perfect melt and a touch of decadence. Then, pile on the veggies: lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and maybe a few pickles for that extra crunch and zing. But here's a secret tip. Before you add those veggies, give them a quick toss in olive oil and a pinch of salt. It's a game changer, trust me. It'll elevate the flavors and make your sandwich go from good to great. And finally, wrap your masterpiece tightly in paper to let all those flavors meld together beautifully. Give it a minute. Let anticipation build. And then, take that first, satisfying bite. Congratulations! You've just made yourself a deli-style sandwich that could rival any gourmet shop. With just a bit of effort and creativity, you've turned your kitchen into the best new deli in town. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and visit culinarycrossover.com for more delicious tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy sandwich making.